did pay for everything myself. Oh wow, this is so amazing. Hi, it's me and welcome to my new channel. Part of me. I will post this on both channels because I think it's worth it. And welcome to the other side of my living room where I have all my strange stuff. Today is a special day because I've got a package, ceremonial box, and I ordered also a kettle. So let's open the kettle first. I was so excited for that I found it. It's an iron kettle, so it's strong. I can burn a lot of things in it. Oosh. Yes. Careful with the knife. So how are you guys doing? The weather in spring is on the way. Oh gosh. Oh, I'm loving it. Oh wow, it's so beautiful. So, is there any way of how you should put that on? Oh, well. So, oh gosh, guys, look how it's heavy, but it's good. Look how beautiful it is. Now I can burn everything in it. Incense, spells. Oh, it's so pretty. I am loving it, and nothing will be destroyed because I know myself. So I think this one is also waxed or something. It feels pretty good. Yeah, I'm loving it, and pretty nice. Good weight, so it will be perfect here, and then I will burn stuff on my balcony. Not at home, don't play with the fire at home. And now to the ceremonial box. Oh my god. So seastar.se, they provide subscription boxes for different ceremonies or rituals, and they have a pretty nice witchy store with everything practically. So this is my first, and I was looking for one in Sweden because I want to support Swedish companies, small businesses, and I found this one after long search, and here it is. So let's open this baby. I'm so excited. I'm so excited, guys, you don't even know. And the service is so good. I ordered this, when did I order? Friday, I think, or Thursday, and then it came today, which is Monday. So it's pretty quick. Yeah, as I said, I like to support Swedish local companies. Let me open it. Oh yeah, and it's for in bulk, which is to celebrate spring coming, and we are welcoming light and spring. It's, you know, and if you're laughing secretly inside, thinking, oh, she's crazy. Well, no matter what you do, as long as you have respect for others, that's important. And if I believe in burning incense and wish stuff and put intention to it, then let me be. So let's open this baby. Ooh. Oh, and I have a note. Oh wow, this is so amazing. I'm so shocked. I'm so happy. Guys, listen. All the sweets and all people even don't want to buy witchy stuff, they have incense, candles, incense burners, everything. I mean, you can get 15% off. And I've got, oh my god, and okay. I don't even know how to do it, how to say it. Put that, and I will put all the links to the store and the Instagram down below. Go support her, she is amazing, and oh, it smells so good. So you guys will get 50% off one more time if you want to purchase anything, and here is the code, and I will put the code also down below. And it's so kind. Thank you so much, C-Star. Oh my god, I didn't expect that. That was so amazing. Oh, and this is, yes. So you in this package you get the story of what the in-bulk is, and Bridget cross, which is on the package here, and what it means, and everything is so beautiful. The paper is beautiful, and how you do the ritual, the recipe for this for this celebration, and you have even oh wow, this is amazing. You have even recipes for food, what to make, and fresh. And at the last page of this one is wow, this is so amazing. I will read this one later, and we will open. Let's see. Oh yeah, these are, I'm guessing, small things how to for making the cross, in bulk cross. This is how it looks, and we have part of it to make it, which is amazing. I will be doing that. Oh wow, that's so nice. That's really nice. Yes, so we have that, and oh, this is, I think this is the special gift she sent to me. Oh my god, isn't she nice? I mean, come on, this store is, I mean, I'm touched. I even have goosebumps on my, oh gosh, this is so cute. So if you even want, like I said, anything, go check the store and see. Oh yeah, this is coal for holy smoke. Let me see, this. Oh yeah, this is, oh wow, that's so nice. This is the coal for the kettle. If you want to burn incense and stuff, you burn the coal, wait a few minutes until it's hot, and then you burn. It can be this kind or another incense. This is resin incense, and it smells delicious. It really smells delicious. We have Himalayan salt, and you can actually, you know, use it for cleansing. You can use it even for cleaning. If you didn't know that, really, wow, this is so good. Thank you. This is the perfect ritual packet, and oh, I will show you. It's very beautiful. Look at the card. So beautiful. cstar.se, and they are on Facebook, website, and Instagram, and of course I will post all the links down below. And I've got one card, and this is back to what you love. Your current situation is giving you an opportunity to reevaluate what you want. This is very odd. I don't know if everyone gets this one, but I get this card a lot right now for some reason, and I will put this lady, you know, here. to celebrate it, because it really comes all the time to me. Oh, and then we have a beautiful, beautiful clear quartz. Oh wow, this one is so nice. Look guys, so beautiful. It's so clear. Oh, I like it. This I'm gonna use this for the ritual. And then maybe I will do the video on how to make this in bulk cross, so we can do it together. And then we have a skis. I think, yeah, she's doing it herself. Look how beautiful. Oh no, can you see it? Yeah, a little bit. Oh, so this will make to my altar too, together with the other card, because it looks like it's important. So let's keep open. Oh wow! And I see she's making this beautiful paper. You know, it looks like old paper, stained old paper. I love it. Let me open very gently. Yes. Oh yeah, this is the ritual. This is how the ritual should go. And I really love it. I will put it back so I can do it later. This is amazing. I'm really, really liking this box. I was looking for Swedish box and here it is. Oh, yeah! And then we have a journal. This journal alone is quite expensive. So I really appreciate the box. Is really, the value is on top, let's say. And this is the journal. You can write whatever you want in. And these boxes are limited, so you may not be able to get one. But oh, this is so pretty. Oh, look. This is the first side. Maybe you can put your own description or what this is about, and you have clear pages. Then you can fill it in. What a beautiful journal. And what do we have more? Oh! We have a bundle of sage. It's so amazing. Oh, I love sage.
Oh, sage is so good. Yeah.
So you will get the sage and everything you need for this ritual. Oh, lucky wish jar. So this is one of these jars when you put a wish in. I love it. I would put a wish in it. And we have a pen. Oh wow. Oh, it's writing. Look, we have a pen, so we can even write our spells or wishes or in the journal. And we have 2 lights, which is also used in bulk rituals. So guys, I will now put everything together and film it together, and I will show you what is everything in the box at the same time. And thank you so much, sister.se. Remember guys, all the links are down below, and remember you have a promo code, and promo code is part of me 15, and I hope you go and buy, because I mean, come on. Wow, I'm totally amazed. And also I want to point it out that I did pay for everything myself, so you don't think it's sponsored or anything. So this is my honest reaction, and I really love it. So go buy, go buy, go buy. So guys, I laid everything there was in the box. Journal, the history of the ritual, and in bulk the ritual itself, all the ingredients you need for cleansing, and even a little bit of recipes. So everything is amazing. I have goosebumps because we did put the part of me 15 gets 15% off. And thank you so much guys for watching, and I hope I see you soon. And also I want to show you the kettle I bought. It's amazing, it's beautiful, it's gonna be beautiful rituals in it. It's totally amazing. I love it. For incense burning, rituals burning. Well, thank you guys for watching. Bye!